Magandang araw po ulit sa lahat. Ayan, thank you for coming. Isip mo maganda, no? Ayan, ito parts kong pogi, instant baby. 5 years na pala, hindi ka pa ba nagsawa? Hindi ka pa rin nagsasawa mag-support sa amin. 5 years na ang nakalipas, pero andyan pa rin kayo ni Tita. Palagi nakasuporta. And thank you po. Maliban po sa YT support, thank you po sa friendship. Grabe no, 5 years na pala. 5 years na pala. Shout out sa kaliangan ko. Thank you po sa lahat. And wala pa akong iba. Good health. Happy ka lang sa lahat. And more blessings sa darating. At basta ingat po kayo palagi kung saan po kayo gagala kasama si Tita, kasama mga katrabaho mo, ang family, and keep inspiring and keep sharing the good vibes that you find palagi. And magkita na kayo dito first. 5 years na tayo. Parang tayo nagkita. And know that I love you always because I've come for you. Happy birthday to you. Good morning. God bless you.
Hello everyone. I just want to greet Tito happy birthday Tito Winston. Yahoo. Ang wish ko Tito is sana ma-monetize na ba kayo ulit Tito. Kalimutan ko, hindi ko na-check kung monetize na ba kayo ulit or basta sana bumalik na yung nyo. And at kung monetize na kayo, wow, congratulations Tito, Tita. Kung bumalik na yung monetization nyo, yung ads nyo, congrats. Ano pa, good health always, more birthdays to come, at more blessings, and sana'y Tito, sana someday magkita-kita tayo. Ayun ko kung kailan pa yan matupad, but hoping someday. At thank you sa inyo ni Tita, ni Tito. Thank you sa inyong palagi pagsuporta. Very supportive na si Tito Winston at si Tita Rosie. So ayun, maingat kayo palagi dyan. Pagay na Tito. Yahoo! Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito. Ingat ka palagi dyan, Tito. Thank you. Ingat. God bless.
Happy birthday sa isa namin kasama sa Team Bebe. Tito, happy birthday. This is Mommy yours. Hindi man tayo masyadong close, pero tayo po ay parang isang magkakapatid, isang pamilya sa Team Bebe. Happy birthday po. May God bless you always and happy birthday.
Hello everyone. Good day. I just want to greet a happy birthday Tito Winston. Ayan, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day with your family and friends, and God bless you always. Good health, stay humble and kind. Ayan, happy birthday Tito, at sa susunod sana magkita-kita ulit tayo. Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Hello guys! So ayan, mega love shoutout po to all TBB 2.0, especially sa aking napakagwapong tito sa YT World. Ayan, Tito Winston. Ayan, hello Tito, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends, and mag-iingat ka palagi Tito. Ayan, more birthdays to come and God health. At ayan, ihanda mo na yung karaoke mo dyan dahil pupunta na kami ni Sisinik. Ayan Tito, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi and ayan, more birthdays to come and thank you so much sa lahat-lahat to and ayan, sa pag-support mo palagi sa amin. Enjoy your special day, Tito Winston, and take care always. Karaoke na yan. Bye, Tito. I love you.
Hello everyone! Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Hello sa lahat ng viewers, especially to all Team BB 2.0. And we are here tonight just to greet a happy birthday to our one and only Tatay Pugi. One and only Tatay Winston CBB. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Winston.
So ayun, happy birthday po. Ilang taon ka na po? Kami ay pupunta dyan at maki-birthday, maki-salo-salo, maki-party na this. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Daming pilo.
Happy birthday. Happy
Dami tulipin.
birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Winston.
Happy birthday sa iyo, aking parikoy tatay, ang nag-iisang parikoy, nag-iisang tatay naming lahat sa YT, of
And
course.
best friend.
Best friend.
Lagi mo please.
Thanks for I think magpa 5 years na tayong friends. So ito sure na ako na tayo ay friends. Matagal na tayong friends sa Facebook.
Facebook to son.
Basta i-claim ko yan na tayo ay friends. French fries. Basta nasisina ito. So basta ayun, i-claim ko talaga yan na tayo ay magpe-French. Paulit-ulit. Say happy birthday, Daddy you. Happy birthday, Daddy you. Happy birthday. So ayun. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Good health always. At sana'y bigyan ka hindi papaganang maraming blessings. Oh. Long live. Oh! Happy birthday to you. Thanks for the friendship and salamat sa pagsuporta sa aking channel. Andyan ka sa aking channel tuwing ako ay or anything. Alam ko nagre-repay ka. Maraming salamat and I love you so much. Happy birthday and mag-ingat ka palagi. Ano pa ba? God bless you. Yun na, nasabi ko na ba? So ayun na lang siguro and mag-ingat ka palagi. Oh, ano ba?
And happy
Ulit-ulit na naman ako. So yun, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday para kay tatay. So ayun, bye-bye na from TNB 2.0.
From Sophia J. Durig.
Hello. Tito Winston CBB. This is your bro Tony Towers here to wish you a happy birthday 2025. Hope you're having a wonderful birthday this year. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more cake to eat, and more red horse for you. Enjoy your special day, Tito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito. See you soon. Hope you stay well, stay blessed. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Bye-bye.